Welcome back. You've tuned into Tiffany Baby TV. Are you ready? I'm almost ready. I have a banger I'm working on for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to drop the intro and I'll be right back with you so you can watch me work. Hello friends, welcome back to Tiffany Baby TV. It's your girl. Thanks for tuning in today. I have another slay courtesy of Beauty Nation. Thank you so much for sending this unit over. Today we're going to be rocking Misty. I have Misty in the color number 2. You know how much I love a color number 2. Misty, I would say, is Bailey's grown and sexy and sassy sister. You guys remember when I reviewed Bailey? If you want to refer back to that video, I will leave the link down in the description box so that you can check her out. This is a 100% synthetic unit, but it does not feel that way. Go ahead and see what she is looking like. Juicy, bouncy, beautiful curls. Let's look at her cap construction. Misty did come with ear-to-ear lace, which I was busy cutting off there in the intro. She does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. You also get a curved lace parting, and this is a side part. Here's what that parting space looks like. So good, you guys. Zury keeps getting it right over and over and over again. They said, you don't need to watch Tiffany's plucking tutorial because we're going to pluck them for you, and I am not mad at them for that. So shout out to Zury for sending us some bangers that are pre-ready, that are pre-plucked, ready to go, straight out of the package and onto our head. But go ahead and watch me slay this unit from start to finish, you guys. This one's really easy. This is what she looks like. I haven't done anything to this unit. This is how the parting looks. It does come with baby hairs, which I haven't plucked or cut or done anything to. And as you can see, this is still glueless. I don't have this adhered to my head at all. But let's go ahead and get some volume into this, and I'll be back with you to share my final thoughts. Yes, beginner friendly slay. Yes, you guys, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Do you see this? You see this. I know you see this because you're watching me work. I don't know what else I can say about this. The cap is super comfortable. It is very stretchable. Stretchable. It's very stretchy. It is a wefted cap, so you get some breathability. You can definitely wear this in the summertime. I know the fall has just started, so it's perfect for the winter time too. You guys, all day long, Tiffany Baby approved. What else do you want me to say about it? You see how gorgeous this is. Zury, once again, has slayed it. I'll leave information down in the description box as to where you can pick this unit up. This is an extremely affordable slay. Beauty Nation always gives us the best prices around, so make sure you guys check them out. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box. I'm going to need you to share this one with a friend, you guys. Send it to a friend on Facebook, send it to a friend on Instagram, send it to a friend in a text message. Just get it to them. They need to see this slay too. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for spending some time with Tiffany Baby TV. Bye, loves.